Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Dr.Trainer dog training collar. In the box, you'll get a short contact points, dog collar receiver, remote control, user manual, card guide, test light, and USB charging cable. Today, we're going to talk about the features of Dr.Trainer T1s so you can begin correcting your dog's behavior in a way that's appropriate for his temperament and the kind of behavior you're trying to correct. Dr.Trainer T1s combined remote control training and automatic dog bark function. You can use it as a professional dog shock training collar or as an automatic anti-bark collar. As a dog shock collar with remote control with custom sound, vibration, shock no shock. As a bark collar, has a built-in progressive corrections mode, just put it on then it works automatically. With the Dr.Trainer T1s dog training collar with remote, you can provide your furry friend with an effective and safe training method. It offers 4 training modes: vibration, sound, continuous and intermittent shock. The remote range up to 3,000 foot allows you to train your pet both indoors and outdoors. Not only can you use the remote to control your dog, you can also use the app and watch for short distance training. You can record custom voice commands such as, "Kara, come back," to help your puppy feel more assured, making teaching basic commands more effective and happier. When fully charged in 40 minutes, the receiver can last up to 15 days. When fully charged in 2 hours, the remote has a standby time of 180 days.